Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating, low error code on your IFB washing machine, you're in the right place. This error is one of the most common issues users face, and in this video, we'll break it down step by step. From what it means, to the possible causes, and finally, easy solutions to get your machine running again. Let's dive in. First off, what does the low error code actually mean? In IFB washing machines, low typically stands for door lock or lid open. It signals that the machine isn't detecting the door as properly closed or locked, which is a safety feature to prevent the wash cycle from starting accidentally. This error might pop up if there's a problem with the door mechanism, so don't ignore it. Addressing it quickly can save you from bigger repairs. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The low error can be triggered by a few things. It might be as simple as the door not being shut firmly, or there could be an issue with the door lock assembly. Other culprits include a faulty door switch, electrical problems like a loose wire, or even debris buildup around the door seal. In some cases, especially with older models, wear and tear on the locking mechanism could be the root cause. Alright, time for the good part, solutions. Start by checking the obvious. Make sure the door is closed properly and there's no laundry or objects blocking it. Give it a firm push to ensure it's latched. Next, try resetting your machine. Unplug it from the power source for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, inspect the door seal and lock for any visible damage or dirt. Clean it gently with a damp cloth. For more advanced troubleshooting, you might need to check the door switch or wiring, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's best to call a professional. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never force the door open or tamper with internal components. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the low error code on your IFB washing machine and get back to your laundry routine. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.